Tell me, what do you see when you look at me? Because I'll tell you what I see when I look at you. I see all the above. I see dental repair technicians, the unsung heroes of the dental industry. The ones who make sure the chair reclines, the lights shines, the handpiece hums like it should. I see warriors with toolkits instead of swords, service calls instead of parades. But impact that can't be measured. You've been through the grind, long drives, tight schedules, last-minute breakdowns. You face the pressure of knowing a patient's care is waiting on you. And still, you rise. You don't just repair equipment, you restore confidence. You safeguard patient smiles. You hold the heartbeat of this industry in your hands. When a dentist steps into a room and everything works flawlessly, that's you. When a patient leaves with a smile they thought they lost, that's you. The world may not see it, but I do. I see resilience. I see perseverance. I see a dental repair technician built for more. Yes, you felt the weight. Yes, you've wondered if anyone notices. But your value is not in the applause. It's in the impact. It's in the moments you save. It's in the practices you keep alive. So when I look at you, I don't just see techs. I see innovators. I see protectors. I see people destined to rise. And no matter the setbacks, no matter the challenges, no matter the storms, you are proof that greatness is not given, it's earned. You are the dental industry's quiet strength. You are the foundation of every dental practice. You are all of the above.